Hello, I'm from Global AL-Motakamel, and today I'm going to talk about creating a new file for your company and resort ERP system. So the first step is going to be clicking on this little icon here, New. This is the Create a Database wizard, and this is how you begin in putting your information and all the things you need for the system for the first time. This is the welcome page. Click on next. Okay, so the system works on templates, and you're new to the system and you have no templates at all, so you click on empty templates. In the future, when you have created a new template for yourself, you can click on them here and just use them instead of wasting your time creating a new template. Well, it's not a waste of time, it will be done quickly anyway. This section is basically for IT related options, but if it's SQL server, then you're fine, you can continue. You can write your company file or whatever you want to call it. It's called company file for year 2015 at the moment. You can change it to whatever you want to call it. This is the company information. Might as well call it your company. Let's call it Global. That's our company name. Latin name. Well, Latin name is the second language you'll be using for the system, if you are using a second language, obviously. For me, I can use an Arabic name, so I'll be calling it AL-Motakamel. Okay, that's fine. Add the phone number of your company, 97317261126. Okay, click on next. Here's your sign-in information. So at the moment it's admin. You can change it to like accounting manager, for example. Add a password if you want to. It's for security reasons, obviously. I won't add a password right now. The main currency option. You choose your currency that you'll be using. For example, I live in Bahrain, so I'll be choosing Bahrain. If you're in another country or in Bahrain, you can choose Bahrain, obviously. Bahrain name, Bahrain currency name, I mean. Latin name, which is in English. The currency code and fields. Okay, next. So when will the database option start? So at the moment you will be starting, you enter the date of today. So today is for 12/4/2015, and see this option right here, G. You can change it to Hijri. This is the Hijri date, and this is the Miladi date. Whatever you need. It will be selected at the Miladi dates now, and you can use the Hijri dates by default, but we'll be choosing the Latin months. These two options are related to the company's branches. So for example, your company has several branches, and all of them are, you want them all in the system. This is information related to it. Default date format, you can choose whatever you want the date to appear like. I'd rather have the day month here, just like how it is, 12 April 2015. Looks good to me. You can choose whatever you want, obviously. Click on next. This is the empty template, and you can have the different templates available, whatever you wish for, or you can create customized charts. But for now I'll be choosing the empty template because I want to show you how to create new templates, so you can use them later in the future when you're creating a new database. On the materials chart as well, you can create templates so you can use them later. These are the entry types: receive voucher and receive from customer, and pay voucher and pay for supplier. These are options that are determined by the version of your system. For example, I have the full package system, which is special edition. Depending on your needs, if you will be using the special edition or a lower version of it, you can have all of them or some of them. So what are they exactly? Basically, they are receive voucher and receive from customer. They are the received entries that you will be using for your company. They are like shortcuts that can be used, like if you're constantly receiving the same amount of cash, let's say, or the same information from a customer, it will be right over here. This is the receive, both of them. So let's say you are receiving cash from a client once a month. So every month you will have the same entry. So once it is entered here and clicked on, you can add the information, and every month you will just click on just a single button to show that you have received the cash, let's say, for example. The same thing goes to the pay voucher and the pay for supplier. These are the invoices types that you can select as well. As I've said before, it is determined by the version of your system, let's say. I have the special system and I have all the options selected. Maintenance types, you can add new and customize them, new templates. And here are the result options. General and accounting and stores and all the other things, 11 sections, are for the report designer. These are the designs or reports, let's say. And these are the information or options you can use for designing the reports. There are many, and as I've said before, they are based on your version of your system. And by that you have almost finished creating the database. You can have a look and review your information you've added. Our company name, AL-Motakamel, phone number, my username, all the information I've added earlier. So yeah, perfect. Let's create the database. It's loading at the moment. Just a matter of seconds, let's say, and it will be ready. A special feature of the ERP system Resort is that once this is finished, you can start working on your accounting and your whatever section you have asked for. As you go live, just minutes after creating your database. It has been successfully created. And we are ready. You can create whatever you need, and the information and the database has been set. Thank you for watching. Until next time.